What's up, guys? Matt here, MJ's Garage. We're gonna do a 0 to 60 pull on track mode. Zero to 100. Well, there it was, guys. 0 to 60 and 0 to 100. And I tell you what, if you ain't smiling, then this video ain't for you. But man, this BMW X5 is ripping. Not bad. Sweet takeoff. Had a really good takeoff. Still trying to figure out the launch control on this thing. But if you notice that 0 to 60, everything slid to the back that was in the cargo. And man, when it hits that second gear, it just hooks. But let me know what you guys think. Headed to work. Figure I'd take it out on one of them country roads that is private. So if you guys are wondering where I'm doing these videos, I'm doing it on a private road. But you guys have a great day. Look forward to some more videos coming soon. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Guys, have a great day.